Morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in a good mood today because both boys slept really good. I did have to go and sleep with, sorry, I'm like trying to position my camera, but I did have to go in with Paxton for probably like 10 minutes, but overall the night was really good. Maverick slept so much better. He was in his Dakota the whole entire night. He didn't have to be like right next to me. I was so happy, and my boob was like super engorged because I only nursed him one time the whole entire night, and that time I even had to like wake him up to nurse him. I had really bad anxiety though with his breathing because like his nose was kind of flaring, and worrying that he was breathing too fast or whatever. But I cleared his nose out, sucked his nose with the nose Frida, and he was really good like the whole entire night. So I slept good. I actually got to sleep on my belly because he slept in the Dakota the whole entire night, so it was a really good night. Oh, oh, your poor little cough. What? Oh, it broke? Okay, let me put it back on. There we go. You're welcome, baby. When the doctor's office opens, I'm gonna ask them if they could just call in the albuterol to do the breathing treatments. That way I don't have to go see them. They already saw him. Obviously, if they know it's worse, maybe they'll just call it in instead of us going to see him. If I get him seen, he's not as bad during the day as he is at night. At night, he gets really bad, except last night he was a lot better. But today, he seems his cough is like bothering him. So I'd rather have it just in case. You're silly, sweetie pie. Paxton loves when Maverick uses the police car and he uses the big trucks. Today on the agenda, I have to sand the pieces that I sanded yesterday, but sand them with a finer sandpaper. So today I have to do that. And I'm going to vacuum and mop down here and upstairs. That I didn't get to do that yesterday, so I have to do that today. And then, what else do I have to do? Oh, I have to vacuum the boys' bedrooms and my bedroom. Maverick is sleeping. Paxton's just relaxing, watching a show. You guys, I'm so annoyed how cute is Maverick. I just was filming Husband Does My Voiceover, and when I looked up at it, it wasn't recording, and I was like, oh my gosh, tell me I didn't record any of this. So I went back and like looked at the videos, and I didn't see like any of the like me doing my makeup. So I was like, oh my gosh, okay, fine, I'll do it, I'll redo it tomorrow. And then after I'm like basically done, I'm like, let me see. And I looked through, and there are all the footage that like just went off, so I could have finished it. So I'm so mad at myself. Thank God it's like I do my makeup anyways like this, so it's fine. But it was just annoying that like I thought it was filming and I was like taking my time showing you guys like the products and stuff, but pointless. You okay? I'm talking to the vlog. I'm talking to everybody. There, hi. See, look at my tooth. He took exactly an hour nap, which is fine because he took an hour nap earlier at 10 because he was really tired. Going to the doctor's. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long because I didn't nurse Maverick right before I left. Rob was working on his computer, so he's gonna pick it up tonight. So Rob's just like finishing last minute things. Rob forgot you guys outside. Rob just ran and got Chinese, so we're having Chinese. What happened to your rice? What happened to your rice? Yeah, that's okay. Tell Maddie to eat that. This makes way more sense. I had to bring this table up from downstairs. I fill up the bathtub with the shower, that way the steam's all in there. But all of a sudden I started feeling like really sick. Boy, steam me! All Nice and steamy in there. Where's the nebulizer? Okay, got it. See, at night time, he gets like really bad. During the day, he seems like a lot better. Still coughing, but at night it's like the most difficult time. Here's the humidifier that we got from the doctor. And then I have the albuterol. So I'm gonna set this all up that way when we get out, then we can use this. And now we'll have that. I just applied the all natural Maddie's baby chest rub on their feet. He's doing his neb treatment. He's just chewing on it, which is good.
You had me at hello.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away.